Hello MASG fam! As durable as concrete while being picturesque, a metallic epoxy interior can combine both function and aesthetics to any home or office space. Fortunately for fans around the world, this isn't exclusive to only your floors. It can be applied to any work areas, be it countertops or any other interior surfaces. But just how well does metallic epoxy stand up with any other conventional materials? So now, let's explore the characteristics of conventional materials. Almost every work surface in a modern building is made up of stone, wood or composite material. A parquet flooring in the living room, a quartz counter in the kitchen top, or even vinyl floors in a barber shop. While these materials have been used for their aesthetics and widespread availability, they do, however, have a lot of major shortcomings. We will do a more detailed breakdown in this Metallic Epoxy Talks Real series.